Because I recently hit 1,000 subscribers, I wanted to do something special as a celebration. At first I wanted to make all my subscribers battle each other, but then I remembered Danny made a video like that. May he rest in peace. Nah, just kidding, he's still alive. Or is he? But I didn't want to be called a Danny clone, so I wanted to do something different. And then I remembered seeing these marble racing videos on YouTube, which I really enjoyed for some reason. So, I made my subscribers race each other as marbles. The first thing I wanted to do was getting a file of all my subscribers, which was surprisingly hard. In YouTube Studio you have this widget that shows all your subscribers, but there's no download button. And I didn't want to copy every single person's name, so I tried to find something else. And didn't find anything. So yeah, I had to copy everything myself. But I finally had a file with all my subscribers in it. Now that I had this, I could actually start Unity project. And the first thing I needed was, well, the marble itself. Easy. I just gave the object a rigid body so it could use the built-in physics system from Unity, which was a real time saver. This automatically made the ball drop and roll when going down. The next thing was reading out a file with the subscriber names, as I wanted each marble to have the name of a subscriber. And this was pretty easy, honestly. I started with saving each line in the file as a string in an array. Then I went through every string in the array and spawned a marble with a name. And shablam! We have erasers. Now it's kinda hard to follow arrays without being able to move. So I made a free camera movement script. All by myself. I stole it. And the best part is they already move like And the best part is they already move like marbles. So, now that the marbles are here, we need a system that kinda controls the race. I wanted to add a leaderboard with the 8 racers that are in the lead. This sounds pretty easy, right? Just take the distance from all the marbles to the finish. Wrong. There are several problems with this. First of all, if there are any turns in the circuit, the whole system fails already. To fix this, I looked at how Mario Kart works. Every circuit has checkpoints on it, and the one closest to the highest checkpoint is in first. So I added checkpoints, but then everything became laggy, to the point that Unity just gave up. This is the second problem with the system. I had to sort the list of marbles every time to keep track of which marble was in first. And this was kinda hard on my computer as I used the bubble sort algorithm. Or at least, I thought that was what I did. This one line made everything crash, actually. After deleting it, the ranking system worked completely fine. And at this point, every necessary thing was ready. This meant that I could start making the actual racetrack. But first I gave the marbles random colors. For the track I used the assets from Kenny NL's marble pack. I spent quite some time on aligning everything good, which was not always working and very stressful, and I hate world building. But after spending some time on it, it was eventually done. Or so I thought. You see, I tried to make an elevator. It did not work. At all. So eventually I settled on just teleporting the marbles to the platform above. So now we have the racers, a functional system and a racetrack. I think it's time to let my subscribers race against each other as marbles. Good day to all of you. I am Jason the Giraffe here to present to you the amazing marble race. You can see all the races are lined up perfectly. And there they go. Going to the first drop, we see already some marbles falling. But they are very close to each other. Casmer is in first, going for the jump. Look at them all go, flying through the air. A lot of fallers here. It's almost like Fall Guys. Now we get to the spiral, with Cosner still in the lead. Oh no, Cosner has stranded, and Vazev has taken his place, and immediately ruins it. Here we are at a drop. There are still a lot of marbles in the race, as you can see. And we are nearing the teleport to the final part. I Am Just a Duck is in the lead. Followed by a lot of marbles. And there he goes through the teleporter. We are almost at the finish here. Will I Am Just a Duck finish first? Oh no, there comes High Squid at the last moment. He finishes. High Squid is first. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. Jason the Giraffe out. Damn, wasn't that epic? So epic. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to be in such a video in the future, make sure to subscribe to my channel and set your subscriptions to public so I can see that you're subscribed to me. See you later. Goodbye. And all those things.